Welcome to Speed Motors, where legendary nameplates meet modern engineering. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 marks the return of an iconic pickup, reimagined for today's drivers while staying true to its classic roots. This new generation 3100 blends retro styling with advanced technology, creating a truck that appeals to enthusiasts, collectors, and everyday users alike. Classic design with a modern touch. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 proudly carries forward its timeless silhouette. Rounded fenders, a bold front grille, and a wide stance pay homage to the original model, while LED lighting, modern paint finishes, and refined body lines add a contemporary edge. Chrome accents and muscular proportions give the truck a premium yet rugged road presence. Interior crafted for comfort and utility. Inside, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 delivers a perfect mix of nostalgia and innovation. The cabin features high-quality materials, vintage-inspired details, and a driver-focused layout. A large touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and smart connectivity options bring modern convenience, while spacious seating ensures comfort for long drives or daily work. Powertrain and performance expectations. Chevrolet is expected to offer multiple engine options for the 2026 3100, including efficient turbocharged petrol engines and possibly a hybrid variant. Smooth power delivery, improved fuel efficiency, and strong towing capability make this pickup suitable for both urban use and demanding tasks. Enhanced suspension tuning ensures stability, comfort, and confident handling on all terrains. Advanced technology and safety. The new Chevrolet 3100 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Modern connectivity features like smartphone integration, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates keep the truck future-ready.